When the camera detects activity, the algorithm ensures optimal lighting for clear, colorful footage. When it's too dark for regular IR cameras, our smart dual light tech takes over, capturing every detail without any extra light pollution. At night, smart dual light with UNV spots suspicious figures or cars, lights up to warn them, boosting shop and warehouse security. During nighttime in residential areas, ColorHunter technology lets cameras double as lights, helping families see and avoid obstacles.